All right, so something truly mysterious has just popped into our cosmic neighborhood. We're talking about an object from way beyond our solar system, and honestly, it's behaving in ways that have scientists just completely baffled.
So the big question on every astronomer's mind is pretty simple. What in the universe just whipped past our sun? Because let me tell you, this is no ordinary comet or asteroid. This thing is an interstellar traveler, and it seems to be breaking all the rules.
So why is everyone so fascinated by this? Well, get this. The object has this strange, almost eerie green glow. Now, normally with comets, that green color comes from the sun heating up specific molecules, like something called dicarbon. But here's the crazy part. When scientists analyzed this object, those molecules were just gone, nowhere to be found. It's like a cosmic magic trick, and nobody has a clue how it's being done.
Okay, so this cosmic mystery actually has a name, 3I/Atlas. It's a true visitor from the void, an object from far, far beyond our solar system. So let's break down exactly what makes this traveler so strange.
First off, let's talk about the sheer scale here. You know, it's always hard to grasp cosmic sizes, so let's try to bring it down to Earth. Scientists estimate the mass of this object is the same as, wait for it, 3.3 million Eiffel Towers. I mean, that's not just big, that's a colossal object just hurtling through our solar system.
So let's just tick off the reasons why scientists are literally calling this object a weirdo. First, it's incredibly rare. This is only the third confirmed interstellar visitor we have ever seen. Second, there's that mysterious green glow. And third, and this is the real kicker, it's missing the very chemicals that are supposed to create that glow in the first place. The whole profile it doesn't add up.
With all these strange facts, you have to wonder, what's the official explanation? Well, NASA has a theory, and it centers on this object being what they're actually officially calling a weirdo comet.
So what does NASA even mean by a weirdo comet? Well, they're proposing it's an ancient relic, maybe 7 billion years old, that was born in a completely different star system. So its strange properties aren't magic. They're just a product of a different kind of cosmic chemistry. In short, it's a messenger from a part of the universe we've never gotten to see up close before.
That's a pretty neat and tidy explanation. You know, it fits with what we know about the universe, for the most part. But it's not the only idea out there. And this question right here, really gets to the heart of the whole debate. What if it's not a comet at all? And that brings us to a far more speculative, and let's be honest, a way more exciting possibility. We're going to call it the curious spy theory. This is the alternative idea that's been floated, and it takes us in a very, very different direction. Now that phrase, a curious idea, is really key. It's the kind of official language used to signal that while this next theory is definitely outside the mainstream, it's still on the table. It's basically our cue that we're stepping firmly into the realm of what if.
And here it is. The core of this curious idea is that 23I Atlas isn't a natural object at all. The theory suggests it could be an advanced piece of technology, a probe, or maybe even some kind of spy tech that's been deliberately positioned to observe our solar system. I know, it sounds like science fiction, but it's a possibility some folks are seriously considering.
So, that's where we stand. We have an unsolved cosmic enigma on our hands. On one side, we have a natural explanation. A strange one for sure, but natural. And on the other side, a technological one. This is the central conflict in trying to understand 3I/Atlas. And this really lays out the two competing narratives perfectly. On one side, you've got NASA's theory, which is grounded in known physics. It's an ancient comet from a faraway star. On the other side, you have the curious idea, it's advanced alien technology. It's a classic case of science versus, well, science fiction.
So we are left with this one fundamental question. Is 3I/Atlas an ancient relic, a messenger from the universe's distant past, or is it an advanced scout, a piece of technology sent here for reasons we can only guess? For now, the enigma of 3I/Atlas remains very much unsolved.